Hello, the following are directions for the visual workshop on Module 1, page Windows 56. So the first thing you'll do is in the search box, click in the search box and type Notepad, and it should come up, a Notepad app where you type some information. If it's very large on your screen, it's maximized, just click restore and it makes it smaller. And depending where it is, if you hover on the title bar area, you can move it to the side because we're going to open up another app. And this is the weather app. Click the Windows logo and you should have a weather app. Go ahead and click that. It's probably in the area that you live in right now. We're going to choose the search box and type Vancouver, and it's Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. And again, if that's large and maximized, go ahead and restore it. So on your screen you should have the weather app and a notepad, so if you wanted to take notes and actually look over to the weather, you have both of them open. So in order for me to see that you've did this correctly on your desktop, we'll create a screenshot of this. So back in the search box, type SN, and there's a feature called Snipping Tool. Go ahead and click that, and you get a dialog box that appears. Don't worry, when we actually take a snapshot, this dialog box will disappear. So we'll click New, and it fades out, and you're going to start in the upper left-hand corner about where the plus sign is, and hold with the left mouse and drag. So you take a picture of both the weather app and the notepad app on your desktop. Let go. Go ahead and save this, and you can call it Visual Workshop and submit it in Blackboard. Thank you.